Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have a hard shell case for my 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I actually have another one to unbox, and this is a 15-inch one that I ordered mistakenly for my MacBook Pro. So these are two different styles and I'll go through both of them. So let's open it up. So this is a one that I bought off of Amazon. Made in China, says soft material. There's some vents on the bottom for heat dissipation. Alright, let's open it up. There we go. Plastic off. Alright, some more plastic. I don't know why they put so much plastic, but let's keep ripping it open. Okay, so it comes with a screen protector as well. I was not expecting the screen protector. Actually, if you look at the box, it doesn't actually mention a screen protector, so that's a nice surprise to have. Actually, I'm not sure if I'll use it, but it's definitely a nice surprise. Seems to be a nice quality screen protector, not a glass one, just a plastic screen protector. Okay, so guess what, there's even more plastic. Alright, there's a brush in there to clean your keyboard. That's a nice surprise as well. Also was not expecting that. Alright, there's a handwritten note. It's, let me see. Actually, it's printed. It just looks handwritten. Whatever. I'm gonna put that to the side. The brand is Vasita. So, Shenzhen Vasita Technology. I'm gonna put that to the side. Alright, so there's a so this is a sunflower pattern. It's for my wife, so the pattern carries over on the keyboard. Looks nice. I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, this is the bottom. It does have some rubber stops here so that it doesn't slide around on a table. There's some vents for heat dissipation, and then this is the top, and again more plastic. I'm guessing it's to prevent scratches, but it's a case. The case should be the one preventing scratches from the MacBook. We don't need to prevent scratches from the case itself. Okay, so it's a very nice pattern. So you can feel the engraving, the ink a little bit. So it's a very nice pattern, looks nice. Alright, I'm going to put it on the MacBook and show you how it looks. Let's see. Snaps right on. And the top part, I think it goes like this. There's a little lip on the top part of it. It snaps in and seems to have snapped in from all directions. Let's just make sure. Okay. Alright, seems pretty secure. The vents on the top here or on the back of the laptop are open so that there's no obstruction of airflow. If you look at the edge here, you want to make sure that the edge is snapped in place. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do that. It's not snapped in right now. Actually, I'm going to try to get the edges from the top in first. So I'm going to actually slide it in from the top like that. Alright, snapped in right there. And slide up. And then bend it into the laptop because I don't want to scratch the aluminum. There you go. There you go. Alright. perfectly snapped in place now, as you can see on the edges. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The MacBook Pro logo no longer lights up, so it's not going to shine through, but it is semi-transparent, so you can still see the MacBook logo if you care about it. And there you go. There's no obstruction here. You can go ahead and put this in if you want. She's probably not going to use this, but if you do put it in, it does keep the touch bar accessible. So that's another nice feature. There is your brush. So before you put this in, I think they want you to use the brush to clean the keyboard here and the speaker grill here. And you slide that in place. Okay, now it doesn't slide around once it's in place. Okay, close it up. Yep, doesn't slide out. Anyways, that's the case that I'm actually going to use. The screen protector I may or may not put on. Alright, I'm going to put that to the side here and show you the other case that I've purchased by mistake with the wrong size. But this one I actually like because of the one particular thing. So I'm going to slide it out of here. So it's actually a cloth pattern cover. So it's actually a nice feel. So if you carry it, it feels as if you're carrying a sleeve on top of the laptop, but it's actually one that just fits right in. But if you notice, there's no heat dissipation vents on the bottom, so it might heat up your laptop more than the other case. Plus there's cloth on top, so as you can see, there's cloth that sort of goes into the plastic and is weaved in. And it doesn't come with screen protector. This is from InCase, and I bought it for about $8 when it was on sale. So this is the other case. Also has the rubber stops on the bottom. Obviously you won't be able to see the MacBook logo, and there's a InCase logo on top, so some people might not prefer that. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.